Alright guys, here we are, day 3 of our, the heck is this thing called, 1998 Bayliner Capri. As you can see, we've got ourselves a mess, which, you know what they say, it has to get worse before it can get better. We're just continuing to rip up the floor and everything. I mean, the plywood itself is, I mean, as you can see, is just disintegrated, but what actually is still sort of hard and strong is the fiberglass skin above it. So pulling that skin off has been kind of difficult, so I just went to Home Depot today and bought myself a new tool. I have a 4.5-inch angle grinder, and I've got a metal cutting disc that, from what I was watching online, this should work pretty well for just cutting through that fiberglass. And the trick is, I mean, especially around the edges, you don't want to cut too deep, especially when it butts up against the hole, which is also fiberglass, so you know, you don't want to puncture that. So I'm gonna see how this bad boy works today. I think first I'm gonna clean out some of the junk in here. We've got it piled up a little bit. Just want to clean it up. I might shop vac some of this out a little, just to get a little cleaner in here so I don't go crazy. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let me show you all a little more progress. So up here at the front of the boat, so you see on this side, there's this fabric here, then there's this seat cushion, then behind it there's another little wood board here. I went ahead and removed that on this side. So you can see this is down to the fiberglass hole on the sides here. And honestly, I hate this carpet that's all up through there. It was a pain to get it out around this on this side, but it did come out, so that's good. I mean, you can see the plywood here. It's just completely disintegrated. I mean, look at that. It's just, this was definitely eaten up by termites or carpenter ants, whatever it may have been. It completely ate this up. So all of that must go, and then we'll put in new stuff. So that's the progress so far there. I'll continue ripping out. Just gotta be a little careful where this gets to the actual hole. Obviously we don't want to cut into that. So I'll keep moving stuff on this side too. I've started doing a little baggy system for the nuts and washers coming out of the holes that bolted here. We might reuse the little fabric cushion. You know, it's really not in that bad of condition. If not, we might replace it, build something new. Well, we're making some more progress up here. Got the carpet ripped out on this side, got that seat cushion taken out, and a little backboard behind it. One thing that's kind of interesting, right here, the space inside here is just foam, which I figured it would be used for storage, but the foot plate over here doesn't back up to it. There's actually about, I don't know, from here over that much more room that you could have for storage. So I think I would just leave it that way to have it where, you know, you could push more life jackets and stuff down in there. Let me show y'all something funny, just so you can see sort of what's going on with the plywood. So there's plywood underneath this fiberglass here and along here and then here as well. So it's like you can stick your saw blade just straight in. That's just into straight wood, which should not be that soft to be able to do that. That just goes to show you just how destroyed this plywood really is. I mean, it's just completely falling apart. So, there you go. And that is gonna do it for our day 3 vlog. I do want to apologize for the shaky video. I am gonna make that better in future videos starting on day 8. I'm gonna start using a tripod. And I do want to say, thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in what happens next with this boat, be sure to click that subscribe button so that way you'll see every new video that I post. And that is all for today. I will see you tomorrow.